Nothing. You know, actually, I was thinking, I'm like, you know what? When he's finally old enough to kind of like, you know, play by himself, I was thinking of like just kind of building him like a small little bench in my shop and giving him a hammer and like just like like some metal and just let him just sit there and pound it. You know, get him ready to be on the bench, right? Yes. The bench pressing baby. Alright, where are we going now? The girdle. Here we go. So, we just finished cutting the pavilion. Again, the pavilion is the bottom of the gemstone. We cut it to almost a point. I don't want to go all the way to a point because that's where all the color is. And we do have to drop down to our 600 grit. And then from there, we're going to drop down to probably our 1200. Actually, no, my 1200's been scratching my sapphires, which is weird. So we'll probably drop down to 3000 after that. But where's my thing here? We gotta go to 12. Now we're gonna be cutting the girdle. The girdle of a gemstone, or a stone in general, is the midsection. And just like on a person, it is what gives it its shape. So we are going to be cutting out the shape of the rupee. Now, I am aiming for a 9x4 rupee. Also, when we cut it, we got to make sure that we have enough material so when we cut the top of the stone, we have enough material to cut it. Put a wet washcloth in the freezer. Yeah, we actually been doing that, Jennifer. We've been doing that. One of these days, you gotta try to have the rind run through the table. Yes, I do have to try that. When I'm cutting one not for a commission. Then I will try it. Have you tried it yet, Sibis? You had a hammer toy as a toddler and ended up in jewelry. Solid way. Yes. Yes, earplugs. Good call, Bam. Okay, we're gonna go a little more on that. Again, so I'm not actually gonna cut this to 9mm in length yet, but we are gonna get pretty darn close, so we don't have to go very far. Is more work? Why is it more work?